go!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing as well as the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So two different subscription boxes, and these are both full-size products, which I'm really excited about. I'm a little concerned about the Ipsy one because apparently it came while we were out of town and it sat out on our porch for a couple days. And it must have rained one day, so I'm not sure what we are going to be unboxing in this, but either way, I'm very excited to unbox these. Again, these are full-size subscription boxes. I believe the Boxycharm one's like 20 or 25, same thing for Ipsy. Boxycharm does actually send me this, and I think they gave me like a discount code. So if I have that, I'll leave it linked down below. Let me know what y'all's favorite subscription boxes are. I love checking out new subscription boxes, but I really do love the ones that are the full-size products because I feel like I get more use out of them. And yeah, let me know down below, and I'm excited to unbox these, so let's dive in. All right, so with Boxycharm, I'm going to open it up first, just because I know it's not wet. So here's what the box looks like this month. And with both of the subscription boxes, you do actually get a little card that you can open up. I'm not going to see everything that's in here, but it shows you all the different products. It tells you the price point of the products, so you can see the value of your box, and it also gives you a little bit of information about the products. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not going to lie. I did sneak peek a couple people's boxes, and I was really hoping that I would get this. Yay! Okay, this is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Palette. Now, I think that this is like a minier size for Boxycharm. I think that hers is a little bit bigger. Ooh, look how beautiful these colors are. Oh my gosh. I just went to EDC Orlando and I did so many like fun, bright, and colorful looks, and I wish I would have had this palette because these colors look so good. Let's see what the value of this is, and then I'll do some swatches. So the Dominique Cosmetics palette retails for $35. Let's go ahead and swatch it. I'm going to do the mattes first. Oh, and they are pigmented. Yes. Oh, this burnt orange. And then I can't wait for this teal. Ooh, the teal looks really nice. And they swatch really nice too, especially for the colors to be as like vibrant as they are, even in a swatch. They look really nice. I haven't actually used anything from Dominique Cosmetics. I have one of her lip glosses. Actually, it's right here, the lemonade one. I know I've featured it in some favorites, but I actually haven't tried out her eyeshadow formula, so I'm very excited about this. And then let's swatch the rest of the colors. So we have, ooh, a beautiful like sparkly champagne shade. This actually has like some hints of like orange in it. It's a really pretty shimmer. We have this deep purple with shimmer, and then we have another matte, which is going to be great. I didn't really get a good swatch of that on my finger, but well, these sure are pigmented. So there's that swatch right there, and again, retails for $35. Okay, they also included a little sample. This is from Pretty Vulgar, and this is the Undercover Lightweight Concealer, and they sampled 4 different shades. I have tried a few Pretty Vulgar products in the past and really liked them. Then we have Tula. I feel like I've been seeing Tula products pop up everywhere. I don't know if they're doing like some sponsorships, but I feel like I've been hearing a lot about them recently. So this is the Tula Skincare Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Cosmetic Hydrogel Mask. That is a lot. So here's what these look like, and the retail of this is $22 for the set of 2. And it says, clear skin, zero irritation. Our acne gel contains 2% salicylic acid to clear up acne, prevent breakouts, and brighten marks left by your past acne. I have been getting some really bad acne lately. I have this under the skin bump right here that has just been on my nerves. Okay, very next thing we have, ooh, this is actually Boxycharm brushes. I don't think I've saw them come out with actual brushes from the brand. Well, these are very neat. They're pretty good quality. They're like a plastic material, and they say Boxycharm on them. Here's a close-up just so you can see. And what does it say here? Okay, so it says, create your favorite look in total luxury with our first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products, and the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. Retails $35. So just there you have 35, 35, so that's $70, and then 22. So $92 so far, and this is like a $25 box, which is great. These remind me a lot of the oval brushes. The only thing, like I'm trying to like feel how they would be on my face, because the oval brushes you just go like this with, where these you would actually go like this with. I mean, they're soft. Maybe I'll have to try these out. I don't know if they're like going to sell these separately or if they're just for the box, but I mean, they feel pretty soft on the skin. And I mean, the quality feels really nice on them too. I just feel like sometimes with these kind of brushes, my liquid foundation like gets really soaked into them. So I have to clean them a lot. So there are those. And then of course it came with like a nice little pouch here. Okay, next thing we have is from Juice Beauty. And this is their Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. Y'all, I have had some under eye issues lately. I was looking at my wrinkles the other day and I'm like, you've got to get it together because I feel like I'm aging really fast. Okay, this is a $50 product. Wow. It says it's a blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused into organic, antioxidant-rich botanical juices that work to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. Okay, I need that. Let's see here. Here's what it looks like. So it's in a little tube like this. And it's, oh, okay. I like that. So it's just one of the things where I think you can just move it across your eye, which is nice. So, Juice Beauty. I haven't actually tried anything from them. I remember Desi Perkins like a couple years ago talking about a product from them. And then last thing we have is from Dose of Colors. And this is their Nude Mood Liquid Lipstick. So here's what the packaging looks like. And I've been into super nude lips lately, as you can tell. Kind of browned my look a little bit. Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks are so good. It's really funny because one of my coworkers was talking to me about this today. She got a red one in her box. And I was like, I love Dose of Colors. They're like a really good formula. They don't crack, they don't crumble, they last a long time, and they don't feel like anything's on your lips. So again, that is the color Nude Mood. So, I mean, Boxycharm, they're bringing the heat with the box. So next we're going to do Ipsy. And I'm just like so worried about opening this. I don't know what we're going to find. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, luckily... Oh my gosh, so I think that the products might be okay. Fingers crossed. Here's what it looks like. I mean, you can tell this box is like, ugh, so wet. But I think the foam soaked up a lot of it. So, all right, first thing we have is from Bell & Argent, and this is the Smoking on Screen liquid lipstick. Okay, the packaging of this is definitely ruined, but this lipstick container is real nice. So here's what it looks like. Ooh la la, this is a beautiful red shade. This would actually be perfect for like the fall and winter. Okay, next we have from Ciate. This is the Dewy Stick. It is an illuminator. I actually have one of these, so I'm not going to swatch this. Everything looks like it's pretty fine in the package, but here's what it looks like. It's just like a really nice highlight. These are really good products so far in this box. This month has impressed me. I don't know who's going to win yet. Okay, and oh, before I forget, let's look at the values. I can get this wet paper open. Okay, so the glow stick is $26. The lipstick is $26 as well. Then we have this from Illamasqua. This is the Hydra-Veil Rehydrating Gel. Retails for 45 bucks. The packaging is gonna have to be thrown away. So here's what this looks like. And it says, the ultimate time saver. Hydra-Veil is both a hydrator and a primer. It instantly moisturizes and smooths your skin in one simple step. The futuristic clear gel formula absorbs quickly, so it is the perfect step before foundation application. And it says, tip, apply a small dollop of Hydra-Veil to fresh, clean skin. Gently apply to your face and massage into your skin until the product is fully absorbed. That sounds really nice. I kind of need to do that because I feel like sometimes when I put on my like moisturizers and stuff like that, I have to wait a while for them to sink into my skin. And then it's like, oh my gosh, do I want to go ahead and do primer? I've been really lazy for work lately. Ooh, next thing's the bag. So this bag comes every couple of months. I think every quarter you get a bag. And this one, it's wet, but this one's like a little cheetah print, and I love that. You guys know how obsessed I am with cheetah. Oh, it's my favorite. I'm definitely going to get some use out of this bag. And then we have a product, which I'm gonna unbox right now. This is from Smith & Colt. It's $18 and it is a nail polish. Ooh, this color is really nice. It's like a pinky metallic color. So there's that up close. Very last product is from Gigi. Gorgeous. This is an Ipsy exclusive collection. And let's go ahead and swatch it. The color looks really nice. It's like a peachy shade and then a pink glitter shade. So here are those two swatched on the hand. And here they are swatched on my fingers, and here they are swatched on the hand. So they look really pretty. This one looks like it shows up a lot better than the pink one. It's just a little bit powdery-er. But overall, oh gosh. I feel like the products in Boxycharm this month, I'm probably going to use more. I like the eye treatment. It's a $50 eye cream, but then you have the $45 primer and moisturizer from Ipsy. So those kind of like are in the same boat. But then I had the eyeshadow palette compared to the makeup product. Here was a blush duo. I really don't use nail polish that much, nor do I use cream products. So I definitely feel like Boxycharm won this month. That isn't always the case. I feel like Ipsy does come out with some really awesome boxes, but overall this month, I definitely think Boxycharm won, and I'm so freaking excited to use that Dominique Cosmetics palette. So let me know down below, what did you get in your subscription boxes, and also what is your favorite subscription? And I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.